Why it got a bulge?
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are getting the Supra on the lift, which is scary because we installed it.
Very expensive to be falling off a lift.
Yeah, true. So basically we've just spent, I'd say about an hour. Well, I spent about half an hour and then Jack spent about half an hour with me trying to get it on. We can't get it on the sills, so we've had to put it on the chassis legs on the front end rear because the sills are caved in because it's shit. I'll show you that actually, when it's on the ramp I can show it on camera. So these are folded all the way back. Pull the car all the way back. Jack the rear of the car up on the towing point because it's too close to the wall to get it on the diff and it's too low to get it on the diff. Then put these on the rear chassis legs. Drop the car down, come to the front, jack the front of the car up, then put the front legs on the chassis.
Bear in mind when this lift was made, there was no such thing as like lowered cars. So
yeah,
that's why it's not really lower friendly. But we are going to make some platforms to hopefully make it easier.
Yeah, and Jack's done some customization while I've been away. There's
matching blue
sticker to match the blue. It's actually matches it quite good. Yeah. Chocked away, son. Careful. I don't like doing this. It's so scary. That's not even fucking threaded in. That was jiggering round.
No threaded in. They've got C-clips on the bottom. They can't go far.
Rear main seal. What do you reckon, Jack? Rear main seal.
Oh shit! It is dripping back. Oh no, it's coming from the front.
Is that,
it's dripping back. Holy fuck!
Yeah, it's front main seal maybe.
Yeah, look how kit that is in oil.
Woo! Hello everyone, welcome to Under the Supra. Today Adam's trying to detect my knock because I'm an idiot and I forget to tighten bolts. Beautiful.
We've already found one knock.
They should be alright. Because they were really loose.
They're fucking cracked, aren't they? The boots.
Cracked at Fortnite, my God.
I think the boots are cracked. Or is it just dirt?
I think it's just dirt, mate. Doing? Just looking at the... Get this bad boy in, yeah? This is a non-road legal car. I promise.
Just warms up the tarmac, doesn't it? Do you want to show them the knock?
I will in a second, yeah.
It's also pissing every fucking fluid known to man out of it. The handbrake's on, I think.
How far back it is. That's just going to
handbrake don't work
fucking
on
heavy engines. Oh, we're slagging off your car, don't we?
If you want this still,
Oh, that's quite bad then. Is it just loose?
yeah, it's just loose.
First repair on the ramp!
Woo! What is it? 13?
I have no idea. I think it's an Allen key down.
Look how nice and organised Adam's are, and then there's... I mean, where are your spanners? The only one that I didn't
Real
check.
organised. Get them on the spanners.
I believe it's a 13. Where are your Allen keys?
Oh. Oh. Not going?
No.
Right. Oh god, that's going to end badly.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let go of the box.
Look at this! Beauty! Hi, I'm Nathan Jones and welcome to...
You ever done this on a ramp before?
Nope.
Oh, you're going to have fun then.
Why?
Pretty
Have you got studs or bolts?
Studs.
Oh, you're alright then.
Yeah. Ace! Big man team here! Get an angle of this.
Yeah, you're decent.
This has been on the road for over a year, and I was like, I wonder what that knocking is on the front of my car. Have you got any WD-40? Oh Christ. Oh, this is gonna work. Oh no.
Your dog is going to get really dirty.
They're already dirty. I've got 12 pairs of these.
You want to give me some?
Can if you want. They really accentuate your bulge.
Why it got a bulge? You laugh like I'm joking.
Oh my days, it's... I don't want to die. You know, it's setting around for it. Oh yeah. Yeah, try not to set
The threads up.
You'd think he'd done this before.
Shock.
That's really hot now. Hey guys! On this week of You Budget, We Fix It, we fix a Supra.
This is the groany side. You know when I put my haircut to it, going.
What's rubbing? Give it a spin.
Built not bought.
Bodge not bought.
This is a 30 grand example. Cleanest example in the UK.
Where everything he puts together is loose.
Like his bum.
So it turns out I've cross-threaded them at some point.
Pass me a socket.
I think it's a shit bolt.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I mean you can see the metal on the inside. We're gonna have to buy some new wheels.
Just to put it out there, like Mighty Car Mods do, we literally have no idea what we're doing.
That one's alright now.
You know when you go in like a toilet, like Toby Carver is and they sell cock rings? They don't fit me, I have to get one that big.
Toby Carver? That's a very specific place. Why are you buying cock rings at Toby Carver?
It's cheapest.
That's a bigger question.
It's so good, I don't use it once. Until then put the Vitara high up on that wheel. After I've used it once, I can grip. No, you couldn't. Go back, go back. Stop. The issue is, your head, you've got another slot like your head has.
Right, the issue is
Oh, stop it! Put my box back. Can I get anything from the trolley?
The whole set on. No, we're not doing this again. It's already been on YouTube.
That's on OnlyFans.
Oh, how did I put these on by mistake? How did I not realise that? Don't you fucking come near my house.
You have to keep zooming into my face. Oh my god. That's all she wrote. What the fuck?
You got covered in black smoke last time, son.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh no! Get him in there. Get him in there.
You won't get out because Cheers might get upset.
What do you mean? Where is he? Yeah, you got to pipe your legs up, so I don't want to break your legs. Just shouting. Right. Oh, this is.
Oh, I was just going to put him in the air, to be honest.
No, don't do that. Don't be like that.
Get him in there. Don't do that.
The issue is the chair.
I don't think
What's going on?
Nah, I've got ideas, don't worry. You need to get him over the lift.
If I come off it, it's going to work. Picking up. Why is it shaking? Right, well, get on the lock. On the lock. We're safe. We're safe.
There's so much going on.
The look of confusion.
Yeah, I just need to know what I'm going to do, whether I just leave it and let them sort it on the dyno, or I try and mess with it.
It's pumped a shit ton of fuel out. New injectors. Probably just the duty cycle settings on the old Wizard machine.
Yeah, it will be, to be fair, because it'll be running at a high duty cycle right now.
You could just set it to a baseline 20% and just dial it in consistent across all your RPM range.
They're quite low anyway, aren't they?
I'd say it's 20%.
I also don't want to mess with it though.
Ladies, I'm single.
What are you doing, Bush?
Just fucking up more.
Good that.
If you look like you're fixing it, then you're still not fixing it.
That makes no sense. It's alright, we've got billet thermostat holding.
Yeah, that's legit.
Yeah, these fucking race cars make this, mate. Slow down.
Track car hill. Work.
What are we doing?
Mixing up some paint, painting a front bumper. Prep work was not there, but that's up to that geezer.
Filmer today. Getting some cinematic shots of the whips. Oh yeah. Well, this motor's now out of its cave. Just some cool bits.
Good evening.
It's heavy, this.
What?
I think I need one.
Yeah, honestly, it's a game changer.
Yeah, I know, that's crazy that. I need one, Jack.
Just yeah, gimbal. Do the turn the camera thing. Yeah. That's sick. What do you think of it?
Thanks for watching.
No,
Please
I'm talking to you. Fuck off.
subscribe.
Talking to the viewers. They're relevant. You're irrelevant, alright? So what do you think of satire? Yeah, so did I.
Come here, lad.
It's better bed than yours, that.
Use mullet 10 for 10% off, lad. There actually is a mullet 10, it's for Callum.
Callum's it there, I think.
Callum's is amazing. That's getting there though, isn't it?
Callum's is sick. I've kept the beard as well. I showed him if I line it up it makes it look a bit better.
Oh yeah, you have lined up.
I just shave it off usually.
to go. Yeah, your FR's decent.
Yeah, not too bad to be fair. We're at 43 degrees, we'll let it get up to 10.
You touch an MX-5 in just the right way.
Oh, you missed it yesterday. Oh no, did you see it yesterday?
What are we doing on the Clio?
I don't really know, mate, but it's got twin arms.
Is it Subaru now or something?
Yeah, Volvo do them as well. I am doing cold air feed to my hot air intake, and then I got some fog light adapters.
They're 3D printed. I could have 3D printed them for you.
Mate, they cost me like, to be fair, I think it was like 50 quid.
I could have done them for about £5.
I think you wasn't here, was you? And I got the bolts with it.
Yeah, to be fair, it would have been a bitch, dude.
Exactly.
Look at this.
Mate, look on the inside of it. Real bad.
Who the fuck's done this?
I know you won't see it on the road, like, but
I'm going to sit on the road now.
All
Yeah,
the viewers, all the
just
viewers
look
know
at
you've got
that crap,
a shitty,
bro.
cheap Clio.
there was 50 quid. I was like, nah, it'd be good then. There wasn't. There wasn't at all.
Why does it look like, you know when people have got a tumble dryer and they need to put the pipes out the window?
That's what it is.
Tumble dryer piping?
Yeah. Nah, I got a fucking demon tweak. Expensive shit, that again.
I think we're low on fuel.
For a backflip, ready for the backflip, here we go.
Oh my god. Whose idea was it to get a ramp in here?
What we done there? Where are you going?
It's cold.
Not really camper-based like that.
Excuse me, sir, can I get some thoughts?
It's loud. Start PS13.
That is actually why it's meant